Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
How to use Thryv's Smart Scheduler to let clients book while you sleep. If you're a service-based business owner, tired of playing phone tag or waking up to missed appointment requests, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to set up Thryv's Smart Scheduler so your clients can book appointments even while you sleep, with automated confirmations, reminders, and calendar sync built in. Let's dive in and give your business the power of 24/7 booking. We've all been there. A potential client sends a message, "Hey, are you free Tuesday?" You reply hours later. By then, they've moved on. Smart scheduling eliminates all that friction. You're available 24/7, no more double bookings, and clients get reminders that reduce no-shows. Let's jump into the setup. First, set your availability. Inside your Thryv dashboard, open Scheduler and select your working hours for each day. You can block off personal time, holidays, or even sync with your existing Google or Outlook calendar. Next, customize your appointment types. Create options like a 30-minute discovery call or a 1-hour strategy session. Set the duration, add buffer time, and define whether it's a phone call, Zoom meeting, or in-person visit. Now, let's make sure clients stay on track with automated confirmations and reminders. You can set Thryv to send email and SMS reminders 24 hours before the appointment and another one an hour before. Then, grab your booking link. You can embed it on your website or drop it in your Instagram bio. Boom! You've got a 24/7 booking system up and running. Want to ensure commitment? You can require payment at the time of booking. It's great for coaches or consultants offering paid sessions. So here's a quick recap. Thryv's Smart Scheduler gives you the ability to take bookings any time of day, automatically confirm appointments, reduce no-shows, and get back hours of admin time. It's not just about booking faster, it's about running smoother. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to automate and grow your service-based business. And if you want to try Thryv's Smart Scheduler for yourself, check out the link below. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on any other Thryv tools, and I'll make it happen.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.